Global hiring is moving faster than ever, but our immigration and broader mobility systems haven't really kept up. We talk a lot about AI as a future goal, but here's the truth. AI won't fix a broken system. AI amplifies whatever foundation you already have. So if your processes live in the heads of a few experts rather than a shared workflow, your program is going to struggle to scale. To make AI work for you, you need a solid starting point. Here are the 3 steps we see successful teams taking to get ready. Step number 1, centralize your data. AI can't help you if your information is scattered across different emails and spreadsheets. You need one clear place for every employee, every document, and every deadline. The reality is that immigration is ongoing, multi-year process with lots of data. To get the benefit of automation, you need one clear system of record. You can't automate what you haven't captured. Step number 2, establish processes before you automate. You will also need a repeatable playbook for every visa and relocation. When your process is consistent, AI can learn from those patterns to give you better recommendations later. Step number 3, use the right tool for the right job. It helps to think of it in 2 ways. First, use automation to handle the logistics, like moving a case along or tracking a status so nothing falls through the cracks. Then, use AI to help with the details, checking if a document is valid, flagging which cases need your attention first, or helping you draft a quick update to an employee. But here's the most important part. The final yes stays with you. AI handles the repetitive tasks so you can focus on the big picture, the strategy, the risk, and the human side of moving someone to a new country. When you put the system first and AI second, the results are huge. You get faster timelines, a better experience for your employees, and, most importantly, the confidence to scale your global hiring without losing control. This is the future of global mobility. It's AI augmented, but human-led. Are you ready to build your foundation?